Arby's serving breakfast all day? Let's peep this out. It has all sorts of good, it has fish in it, and it... Snack Dubs here, back again with another legit food review. Today we're going to eat some S&M peaches. Ooh! You bite the peach bites back.